Grand reveal.
Our NS class. I can't. Is that my picture on it or something? I don't know. So we brought you. I knew that. There's one thing in my life. She has nines. She said.
Я знаю порой.
Я вижу ориентир.
My hair look weird, probably. Step away. I was expecting.
Well,
What can I say except you're welcome?
yes.
Typical beach video. That's what you wanna do. No, it's just like, why do you say that? Right? Yes.
Yes, each.
Bro. I want coffee in my side.
You form a circle.
I'm really enjoying this.
Form a circle. To the side.
Oh yeah, there you go. Hey.
Whose idea? It's my idea to get and go to Bodin and get these amazing soups. Say hi.
Hi! Sounds a nice idea. I'm very, very thankful for her.
Cool.
Oh, this is beautiful. The colors are amazing.
We not fight for freedom. Sure, when the French figure out who's gonna lead them,